Sometimes I make the most goofiest things, but this was one of my early attempts at using SketchUp to 3D model something out of wood. And what I did was I would close my Mac laptop in clamshell mode and slide it in here. And it was cut out on the bottom so that it wouldn't get hot. And then I would run cables and stuff because it would stick out a little bit. I'd run all the cables and everything out to a hub. I have that, what is it, TS4 from CalDigit. But anyways, I had these so that you could have cables come through this way or through the top. And then on top here, I had a monitor. But it's just not working. So I either disassemble this and try to repurpose it or give it to somebody, I guess. I don't know.